Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have three dryers are repair for the repair. One is Maytag, other one is Whirlpool, also GE. These three type of dryers I have to repair. Problem the same issue actually. It's motor not rotating because the already bush type this Wellington motors. That bush already gone because of that motor getting stuck and not rotating. Because of that, all three dryers I have to remove motors with the blower. Now I'm going to show you first how to remove the blower. After that, I have to remove the motor. Also, I have to convert it bush to bearing. That one I will show you with another video. Now I will show you how to remove the blowers from three motors, and we will go to the next step. Now you can see this motors Wellington from Mexico. The three motors are same. I have that, but difference actually the blowers. Because of that, I have to remove one by one. First, I have to remove this blower. Now I will show you this blower how to remove. This one actually I will show you. This one here I have to use adjustable here. After that only we can remove. Otherwise we are not able to remove. Now I'm going to use this adjustable because I already remove. This one you can see this is its difference. This one is coming clockwise. You can see this one actually clockwise is removing. It's not the anti-clock. You can see, dear friends, this is the way how to remove blowers. Other one also we have to remove. We need actually good visor, otherwise it's very difficult to do this job. Now this blower you can see it's very tight, but I can remove. This is 24 millimeter socket I have to use. You can see here we can use the socket 24 number. After that very easily we can remove. You can see it's like that will come. It's very tight. While we are rotating this one, we have to lose all the this type of motors. The anti-clockwise we have to remove. If you turning clockwise, it will get tight. But we have to remove anti-clockwise only. That means this way we have to turn. This will come like that. You can see it's very easy. Now this one already came. You can see here. Other one also we have to remove as same. But that one different type. It's not the same. Now I'm going to show you third one also, because this one also I have to remove one blower. This one actually it's not the which is we remove the two type. This one also another type. You can see, dear friends, this motor is different. These three motors are not the same, but some small difference. This one we have to use this socket. After that only we can remove. Yes, dear friend, is that one also came out. It is clockwise only. Now that one also I removed already. Now, now I think you learn how to remove the dryer blowers. This three types only coming all the dryers, ventilation type dryers. This three type only I found. Actually, I didn't found any other type. This three type only, the specially Whirlpool, GE General, same motors with the blowers, three type I found. That's why I show you how to remove this all three type of blowers. Now I will make another video how to convert it to bush to bearing. We will meet with that video again. Thanks for watching my channel.